Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in WeChat using iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the login option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the region option. Scroll down and select the region where you belong. In the phone section, enter your mobile number. Next, tap on the Accept and Continue button at the bottom of your screen to move forward. Here, you will find the password field. Enter your WeChat password carefully. Finally, tap on the Login button and log into your WeChat account. And that's it. This is how you can log in WeChat using iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.